Hello, we're now in Danjiangkou City, central China's Hubei province. In order to improve the water transfer capacity of the middle roads of the south to north water diversion projects, China has started construction of a MEP project to channel water from the Three Gorges Reservoir area to Hanjiang River, a tributary of the Yangtze River from last year. And today, the project started construction of the underground water transfer tunnel. It has introduced the design length of the project's 194.8 kilometers, of which the tunnel is 194.3 kilometers. How will the tunnel be constructed? What is the significance of this project? Come with me and let's take a look.
如果说你这么长的隧道，你从两头打，那几乎是不可能的。所以就是我们通过设立这个26条支洞以后，就是等于说把长水短打了，它可以解决汉江流域水资源的调配能力啊，这是一个。第二个就是它可以增加兰树北调中线工程北调水量，还有供水的保证率。